This is the Programming Owl, and today I'm going to do one of the problems and challenges that I have found on the website Edabit, and I have reviewed and talked and walked through this in a previous video on this channel, so I'm not going to talk too much about the format of it, only to say that they give instructions, they give you a code, and they give you some resources if you are stuck, and the solutions are locked unless you say, I'm stuck, because this is a point system that they do. Every challenge that you're able to solve, you get the points. If you have to unlock the solutions, then you don't get the points for that. So in this one, I've actually kind of attempted to do this a little bit earlier, but I did not read through all the directions, so I got it wrong a little bit. So I'm going to do it again. This is my second take on the video. So in this challenge, they want you to create a function that takes a number as an argument and returns negative of that number. Return negative numbers without any change. And I didn't read that last part, or that last part didn't sink in, because I just thought, just put a negative on it and that'll be enough to answer and solve this problem. But this one is, while it's a very easy problem, there's a little bit more to it. So basically you have to first check to see if the number is negative, and then if it's not negative, make it negative, or if it is negative, keep it negative. So it's time to code, and I'm using Python, and they kind of already give you the syntax, or they do, not kind of, they do give you the syntax and the setup for defining a function. So all you have to do is define it. So I'm going to say if n is less or greater than, because if it's negative, then it's going to stay the same. If it's not negative, then we need to do something to it. So if n is greater than 0, what I want to do is return negative n. Else, return n. So let's see how that works. And sometimes this takes a moment to run the test. But I believe that is sent. Yep, I passed all of the tests. Go me. And then just to kind of take you through the next part of it, they did the test, and now they're going to do a final check, and I'll show you the last part. You get more points, and then you can rate the clarity of the instructions. I think they were fine. The reason the clarity didn't sink on me is because I haven't had enough coffee this morning, I guess. That's why I missed it the first time. And then you can go on to your next challenge. So hopefully that gave you a little taste of what it's like to do a very easy challenge on Edabit in Python.